Alright, good afternoon everybody. No coffee and questions. It is more in the mid-afternoon and it is really hot out. Had a phone call from one of the people in the club. One of his friends works at Home Depot and said, hey, come on out. I'm going to show you some things that are going to be on sale even after this big sale weekend. So I'm pulling into the Home Depot parking lot and we're going to go in and I'll take some video. If it's noisy, I'll do a voiceover and I'll show you what they're telling me is going to be on sale after this big weekend sale. So we'll see. All right, I'll be with you in just a minute when we're in the store. Okay, here we go. $99. Now I stood in front of this blower. It actually works pretty damn good. So I mean, if you need one, you might consider it for 99 bucks. I don't know how long this will be on sale for. Okay, this will be on sale even after the big weekend, $169. Now, it's pretty good, and they give you a demo here if you want to play around and try it. Good deal. And there's a picture of the box, of course, $169, and the two drills you get with it. 11 days only, ends 9/8. So it is extended, and they are going to put a lot more tools out there, and especially the high turnover ones. Okay, $99. This is a great deal, I think, for angle grinders, two of them. 50 bucks a piece. Now here's a Makita Rack, of course. Nothing real thrilling. I just took a shot of it inside of the store to show you there's more tools that they'll have on sale. And let's see, reciprocating saw, $2.99. Everybody says this is a great saw. I haven't tried it, but they're going to extend the sale past the weekend. And nothing's complete without the rigid. And they give you good deals here, and you get the free battery pack if you want. So, I mean, it's worth looking at if you want to pick up one of these and get that free battery charger pack that goes along with it. I don't own it, but it looks like a good deal. This is a good deal if you need gloves, $288. You get 5 pair of them. It'll be an extended sale too. Here's better gloves, but they're for $547. Let's see, what else?
I can foresee you will have sweet success on October 31st.
Nice, are you ready? What if I said no? Then how would you like your wings clipped? Not so much. You're flapping and getting ready to fly.
It's going to be dark outside.
I got this Bosch 12-piece spade bit set. Now this is a great deal. I own this and I love this set. It gives you a wide variety of spade bits. So you should take a look at these if you think you need them for your shop. Folks, well, that was Home Depot. There wasn't a whole lot. There's a few items, the ones that I mentioned, that'll be on sale even after this big sale, weekend. While we were in there, I was talking to one of the associates. They said, well, Lowe's is doing the same thing, and so Lowe's is right across the street, so we all decided, let's drive over to Lowe's. All right, that was about it for Home Depot. Moving into Lowe's, we decided to see what they're going to have for an extended sale past the weekend. Here you got the same setup for that DeWalt screwdriver. They let you actually try it if you want to. So you can see down here, I mean, for 99 bucks, I mean, you get the bag, the kit, the battery, charger, battery, and you can try it. They have a setup here. You can just walk up to it, and they let you do it as long as the associate's standing there with you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. At least you get to try out the tool, really. And here's a close-up. And don't forget, we are at Lowe's now. Let's take a look. This nice little drill here. I have the 20 volt, but this is a good deal, I think, for the price if you need one anyway. And this is a shot of the aisle. It looks like the inside of like a Sears and Roebuck, some big long. It's all Craftsman, everything, all the way down the whole store. It was wild, but it is what it is. $89 right here for this Bosch reciprocating saw. Not a bad deal if you need one. It is corded. I like the corded, more power, of course, like I've mentioned before. And let's see, what do we have here? We've got 15 bucks headlamp. Now I got the Milwaukee one, which is much better, but it's more expensive. But if you need a headlamp, $15.28. I mean, it's not a bad price. I mean, if you're in a dark attic or somewhere where you need that, you can strap it on your hat or around your hood like it shows in the picture here. But for 15 bucks, it's worth considering. And it's an extended, it'll go on sale past this weekend. Craftsman, $119 now. This is marked down, 121 piece set. The Craftsman tools are pretty good. I mean, these people are selling these right off of the shelf. I saw where a lot of them people have picked up. So this $119 price, I guess, is a good price for this 121 piece. The associate said, yes, it'll be on sale even after the weekend. It was $179. Like I said, marked down. So, I mean, if you're in need of something like this, you might consider it. Okay, let's move on here and see what else is going to be on sale after the weekend. Bosch, 159. Okay, this hammer drill, yeah, usually 199. That's pretty good little price discount, and this is a good one. Now I have one similar to this. It works great. All right, what else? Trash bags, 11.98. Let's take a look here. You get 24 42-gallon contractor bags for 12 bucks. If you could use them on job sites, clean up, these are it's a good deal. I mean, if you want to pick them up. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, $89. You can get this half-inch brushless hammer drill. It was $199. So okay, pretty good deal, I suppose. I don't know much about the Hitachi brand. I don't own any of them, but I like the color on them. I like the look. I like the feel. I picked it up. You know, I held them. They have a wide assortment of drills, of course, on sale, not just that one, and the sale will be extended even after this weekend. So, worth taking a look at if you're in there. Here's another one here, brushless hammer drill, impact driver combo, 129 was 259. Okay, worth considering. I mean, you get both of these drills in that pack. What's this? Half-inch brushless hammer drill, 89 was 199. Let's scan around here. Hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, 129 was 189. So these Hitachis, here's another 4-tool combo kit, 199 was 299. Okay, all of these combo kits have been marked way down, and they told me the sale will extend through this weekend. So I don't know for how long, but it is going to continue. Half-inch brushless drill kit, 89 was 179. Again, not a bad deal if you need them. Let's take a look. What else do we have? More of the same thing. This is, like I said, they're good marked down prices. I mean, if you want to consider getting one. Here's that reciprocating saw. $89 was almost 200. What do we have here? 99 was 139. This is the Cobalt Reciprocating Saw. Nice looking. I mean, I don't know much about it, but it is on sale. It will continue to be on sale even after the weekend. Let's take a look. So Lowe's has got quite a few things that'll be extended. Let's see, we got DeWalt, 89 bucks, reciprocating saw. Okay. What do we got here? Well, this is back to the Hitachi, 88 was 99. Not any big, huge price difference, I suppose. Let's take a look around, see what else. Oh, it was 129, I'm sorry. Anyway, that's the Bosch right there. All right. What do we got here? We got the Cobalt again, 179. You got these combos, 24 volt max, brushless Cobalt. Okay, toolbox sale. Now these they've moved a few of these while I was in the store, so I don't know if people are buying them or they're just moving them around. 103 bucks. Now, this is nothing high-end. It's made out of thin-gauge steel, but it's a nice little toolbox for what it is. And I'll see here if I can open the drawers up for you so you get a better look. Let me see if I can position these, and then I'll video them a little bit better. And see what kind of a photo I can get of these for you, or video rather. And let's see. All right. Here we go, bottom 6-inch. It says, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad. Different depths, of course, so it can hold quite a bit. It'll keep them from getting dusty and dirty. And you can stack it on another toolbox, of course. 50-pound drawer, load rating. Craftsman comes with a liner. You might have to buy more liner, I don't know. But, you know, I guess not a bad deal for that price. All right, folks, we are about ready to leave Lowe's. We went to Home Depot, we went to Lowe's, we took a look at items that were going to be extended past this weekend sale. So the items I showed you, I'm told they'll be the sale will continue. Some of them are a damn good value, the ones that I pointed out to you, especially those angle grinders, 4.5-inch angle grinders. You get 2 of them, and even some of the Cobalt, some of the other stuff that we saw at Lowe's, still a good value. I mean, if you're looking for it. Prices are marked down pretty good on some of those items. I mean, I would seriously take a look at them if I were you guys, if you need any of this stuff. So I showed you the pictures the best I could. I did a voiceover because when I'm in there, they have annoying music and it's loud, and I mean, and people are talking and walking in front of me, and it's just Jesus, you know. So a little bit easier to do a voiceover if I made some mistakes or errors, you know, just concentrate on the advertisement and the ads. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. You folks have a great day. Bye-bye.